Hello, my name is Barbara Boyat-Raymond, and this is the 9th video of the module Excel in Education. In this video, we are going to learn how to make pivot tables and charts, which is very useful to summarize large amounts of data in a quick and interactive way. So pivot charts and pivot tables are very useful when you have large amounts of data, such as in this example, but you want to show only some of it and you don't want to delete or hide any rows or columns or data. So each time we want to insert a pivot table or pivot chart, the step number 1 is to select the full table, including the title row. And then we go to Insert and we click on Pivot Table. So here is the range, we already selected it. And here we want to choose, do we want to insert it on the existing worksheet or on the new worksheet? I think it would be too much to insert it here on this existing worksheet, so let's create a new one. So Excel created for us a new sheet that we can call pivot table, and for now it's still empty and we have to choose what we want to represent it in. So let's say we want to take IDs, names and surnames in the rows, and we want to, from the students, we want to show only the grades from exam 1, exam 2 and final exam. Here you can see only ones and zeros. It's because we have to change the value field settings. We want sum instead of count, because count only represents whether there is a value or no noted in the previous table. So we have to click on sum. And now, as you can see from all the students, without deleting or hiding any rows or columns, we showed only the values of the exam 1, 2 and final exam. Let's take an example of pivot graph. So it's the same. The step number 1 is selecting the full table. Then we click on Insert, and somewhere in the middle you can find Pivot Chart. The range is already selected. This time let's try to insert it in the existing worksheet. However, it doesn't work unless we give Excel a location where we want to insert a chart. So for example, let's say we want to insert it somewhere below the table. So I'm just going to click on a cell, a random cell below the table, and click on OK. So again, the chart is for now still empty. And let's say we want to show surnames on the axis, fields of studies in the legend, so we can distinguish these students and their fields of studies, and we want to see the total points. So of course there is a lot of students, so our chart is very compacted, so we can enlarge it a bit. And now we can see which field of study performed the best and which student also performed the best from all. And this is about pivot charts and pivot tables. I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching.